Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off charging informations in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. If we don't want to see our charging info on our screen, we have to go to settings, then display options, and at the bottom we have show charging information. So what does it do? Show battery level and estimated time until full. When it's always display, it shows or not show. So let's hide it. And now our charging info is hidden, and our screen will look a little bit cleaner without a lot of information. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.